Here's a great deal on a 2000 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides exceptional value. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.